Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making some crispy air fried chicken thighs, and here are my ingredients that I will be using. So thighs are my favorite part of the chicken, so I've washed them already with vinegar and lime, and here I'm just patting them dry. So in order to get the chicken really crispy, you have to dry them. You must dry them, get all the moisture off, right? So now let's just set that aside and let's jump into our seasoning. So here I have 2 tablespoons of premium chicken seasoning, or you can use all-purpose seasoning. This is 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons garlic powder, and 2 sachets of this Sazon seasoning, and 2 tablespoons onion granules, not powder, and that's half teaspoon salt, or do salt to taste. So mix it up, and now we're gonna pour it on the chicken. But before we go there, let's add a little bit of oil. So this is also very important and very necessary. By the way, I have 6 chicken thighs. I forgot to say that. So put the oil on the top of the chicken thighs. Put it everywhere actually, not just on the top. So here now I am adding my powdered seasoning mixture, and Vibes fam, you need to put this everywhere. So you're gonna get it all on the top of the skin, on the bottom of the chicken. Flip the thigh over and rub it as well, and you're going to lift up the skin of the chicken. You need to get the seasoning under the skin. Look how pretty that is. Yes, wash under the skin of your chicken too, please. By the way, I'll link a video down below of how I wash my chicken. So yeah, you want to get the seasoning everywhere. So rub it. I mean, get it into every crevices. Every little corner, every little nook and cranny. Ooh, look at pretty, look at clean. Yes, Miss Chicken looks so clean. She looks like she took a shower, looking so good. Love it. So we're going to set this aside to marinate for some hours. I mean, 4 hours would be good. Even overnight is even better, but just give it some time. Please always give your chicken some time to marinate. So here it is, and now I have my air fryer. It's actually a instant pot duo, is that what you call it? So it does all the things, it does a lot of things. But anyway, I'll be adding 4 chicken thighs at a time. You don't want to over crowd your air fryer, because you need space to ensure that the chicken gets its space to crisp up. Yes. So do not pack them up like a little mini bus. No, we're not doing that. So yeah, 4 pieces, and then we're gonna cover it and gets to do what we do. So I'm gonna bring it up to 30 minutes, right? I'm increasing the cook time to 30 minutes. So now we're going to turn the chicken as it's instructing us, right? So we're going to turn them over to get the other side nice and crispy as well. So this side has a nice little color. So that's the cover I'm putting down. This side has a beautiful color. Look how good. But we're going to flip it over to get this side. So at first it was skin side down. I don't think that I said that, right? So skin side down at first, right? And we're going to end with the skin up. So to get a nice crisp and a beautiful color, just all the gorgeousness, all the beautifulness on this chicken thigh. I'm telling you, Vibes fam, listen. When I tell you good, when I tell you delicious, but just make sure that you season the chicken well. So we're going to put it to finish cook, and I think it's 15 minutes, because of course it did halfway. Look at gorgeous now. Vibes fam, did you hear all that crispy deliciousness? Oh my goodness, it is so crispy. And let's look at pretty. Look at pretty, look at beautiful. That looks so good. I'm gonna set it on my nice little plate. Oh my goodness, let's take them out. We are gonna take them out. Yes, take it up. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. Yes, yes, yes. Look at pretty. Look at nice. So good. Survive some, just take them out, put them on a plate or whatever tray, and then we're going to put in the other two. As I said, it is 6 pieces of chicken thighs, so I'm going to do the other two. So skin side down at first. Look at gorgeousness. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. And skin side down, and then of course same 30 minutes, and we flip them over, we turn them over halfway. So after 15 minutes, then we turn them over, and that's gonna be it. Did you hear the bubblation of it all? It bubbled and bubbled and bubbled. It was so hot and so nice. So yes, beautiful color. So listen, this looks so good already. You would think you can eat it, but no. So let's cover it, and 15 minutes, and then that's gonna be us like bam. Oh, it's fine. Vibes fam. Listen to this. Listen. And vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have this. Listen, run come here. Run come, everybody. I know you want a piece of this. I'm so excited because this is my favorite part of the chicken, and because I know how good it tasted. I'm telling you, I'm so excited. Look at this crispy air fried chicken thighs. Vibes fam, talk to me. See, I can't even talk. I can't even get my words out. Talk to me. Talk to me nice. Talk to me good. Tell me this don't look good. It looks so good. So good. But yeah, vibes fam, let me know, would you try it? I hope you try it. When Matele said it's nice, I mean it nice. Nice like rice. But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and run over Instagram and follow me, please, and Facebook. Thank you so much. God bless you.